Ndewo Makukom. Welcome to the final episode of Igbo in Diaspora. This lesson we are going to put everything we have learned together into real conversations, from greetings to introductions to numbers, days and more. No, Kaibido. Let's go over to the common greetings we see in everyday conversations. The first one is Ndewo, hello. Kedu, how are you? Odima, it's fine. Ademoma, I am fine. Bia, come. Kodi, goodbye. Dalo, thank you. Here is a simple dialogue using lessons 1 to 10. Ndewo, aha m bụ Ada. Kedu? Ọdịmma, aha m bụ Emeka. Ebe m si bụ Enugu. Ị mara na ọ bụ Fraịde taa? Anyị ga-eje ụlọ akwụkwọ n'elekere 10. Now, create your own short conversation using greetings, names, numbers, and time. Use at least 5 things you learned from past lessons. Practice this with a friend or in front of a mirror. The phrase of the day is Mkparịta ụka na-amalite site na ndewo. Conversation begins with hello.